Hi, this is Mrs. Kidman, and in this video, we are going to be reviewing over how we can rewrite different quadratic equations. So we've been talking about three different forms of quadratic equations in our class. We've talked about the standard form, which remember is ax squared plus bx plus c. We've talked about vertex form, and vertex form is a times x minus h squared plus k, and we call it vertex form because remember our vertex is the point hk. And then the last one that we've talked about is called factored form. And in factored form, we have a times x minus p, x minus q, and that p and that q are our x-intercepts or our zeros of the function, and that's where they cross. So in this video today, we're going to be discussing how we go from vertex form to standard form, and it's actually going to be pretty simple. We're just going to multiply it out. So when I see something in vertex form here, to get it into that standard form, or ax squared plus bx plus c, I want to expand it out. So I've got x minus 3 squared plus 2, and let's expand it. X minus 3 times x minus 3 plus 2. So see how this is x minus 3, x minus 3? We want to FOIL that, so we're going to FOIL it here, and we end up getting x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 9, and then we have our plus 2 at the end, and we want to combine all the terms that are alike here. So I get x squared minus 6x plus 11, and that is how we switch from vertex to standard form. So let's go through one other example. Again, it's going to be just like this. Let's go through one of these examples that have an a in the front. So we are going to expand this the exact same way, just multiply it out. So I've got negative 2. Instead of the x minus 3 squared, I'm going to write it as x minus 3 times x minus 3, and then minus 5. Now I'm going to do my FOILing first because we have to follow that order of operations. So I FOIL and I do x squared, x times x, negative 3 times x, negative 3 times x, and negative 3 times negative 3. And I get x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 9 minus 5. And then we want to simplify this here. We get negative 2 x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 5. Now I want to distribute this negative 2 into all of these pieces here. So I get negative 2x squared plus 12x minus 18 minus 5. And then I have these last two terms that combine together, and I get negative 2x squared plus 12x, and negative 18 minus 5 is negative 23. And so this is what that same formula would look like, that same equation, but in standard form. And that's how we go from vertex to standard form, is we take our vertex form and we multiply it and expand it out and then combine those like terms. And that is how we get standard form.